In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile site in Shopify. When you're building a Shopify store, it's really important to remember that a lot of your visitors will be browsing on their phones. That means you don't just want your desktop site to look good. Your mobile version needs to be clean, easy to read, and simple to navigate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to use the theme editor to make mobile-specific adjustments without touching any code. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option called Online Store and click it. This will open the themes page, where you can see your current live theme at the top. On the right side of that theme, you'll see a button that lets you customize or edit the theme. Go ahead and click that to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, your site preview appears on the right, and your sections are listed on the left. To focus on mobile, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see device icons for desktop and mobile. Click the mobile icon so the preview on the right switches to mobile view. This is really important because it lets you see how every change will look on a phone as you edit. And now look at the left panel. This is where all your sections are listed, such as the header, the main template content, and the footer. If you want to add a new section, first click on the area where you want it to appear. For example, select the header, the main template, or the footer. Then click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear, and you can choose the type you want to add. Keep in mind, the options you see will change depending on whether you're adding it to the header, the template area, or the footer. Many sections contain blocks inside them. To view these, click the small arrow next to the section name to expand it. You'll see individual blocks underneath, such as text blocks, images, or buttons. You can add more blocks by clicking Add Block, then choosing from the available options for that specific section. Again, the kinds of blocks you can add will vary from one section to another. To edit any section or block, just click on it. The right side of the editor will show you all the editing and styling options. As you scroll through these settings, look out for mobile-specific controls, such as options to stack images on mobile, change alignment, or adjust container settings so content fits better on smaller screens. These controls help you fine-tune how things appear on phones without affecting the desktop layout too much. When you're happy with the changes you see in the mobile preview, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your updates so they go live on your mobile site.